Sitting on my couch in my living room. That's right, I got plenty of living room. And that's the way it's gonna be. I didn't video the getting here, and I unpacked the truck a bit and got everything. That was for me alone. You know, that kind of thing. But I'm here, Rupert the Magic Bus, Dun Glen Peak, and the Sonoma Range behind me. I'll pick it up in a minute and we'll show. And then I got to button up and gotta go and come back first thing in the morning and straighten this bad boy out. Get it to where I can come back next week and live here, for a few months, that kind of thing. See what I can manage. Man, this is just epic. I can't believe it. I am so at ease now. I feel so cool. Oh man, oh man, oh man. And everything was intact. I gotta commend the citizens of Grass Valley, Nevada for being respectful and leaving people's things alone. I think maybe, I don't know, nice community. We'll see when I get out there, because, who knows, but if they're doing that, then I'm happy with living here. My brother's 5 acres right straight across there. Mine's got some streams. I really like this because it's natural. I wanted it natural, keep earthy shit going on, stuff. But anyway, let me do a 360. Oh man, it is so nice to sit here on this couch and look at this vista. It's all worth it, man. Hopefully I can keep it. Who knows what'll happen. The gods don't care about me, but they care for me. They'll be all right. We'll figure it out. What a wonderful thing. All right, let's do this 360, and then I gotta go. I gotta get propane and a generator, get it hooked up to the pop-up, because I have to spend the night here tomorrow. I bought a motel room. I really, really did kind of need it. It's good cold out here, but, hey. So, that offers me 2 things. An excellent training opportunity and my chance to excel. GFT. All right, let's go to the panorama. Oh, man, I don't want to get off this couch. This is it. Oh, it is great. Right on the money. All right, let's do this before the sun gets too low. Whee! Sit on the couch. Let me sit down. Sit down again. The view from my couch. Okay. Let's walk out here. Straight across here is my brother's land. He's got 5 acres right straight across from me. Looks like somebody's been busting some dunes out there. Let's have a look. Where are they at? They're out there. Someone's been busting ass out there. Ah, there's that. Should be right in there. Anyway, back away and have a look. They've been busting butt up there. Just one track, though. Someone out here looking at their land, probably. Right? Look at that. What an evening to see. Okay, let's walk on the other side of the bus. And it's getting late. The bus and the Viking. This is my home now. This is where I live. That's the Sonoma Range. Tomorrow I'll get a sunny one maybe, or something a little lighter. It's more light. Look at that boy. Okay. gotta know, it's rough and tumble out here. Storms are coming in, I better boogie. All right.